said they're hiding. It's not a little laddie, no. It's putting right out on the synchro.
I had to force it in a few times with no lube.
No lube. Lube, you reckon? They've got a lot of Teflon coating on them. Instead of brass. Oh yeah, snap that one off. So, pretty tough inside, man. There's just snapped off. Oh, so this we've definitely got something wrong inside.
Oh, so we've got the gearbox out tonight. Carl's just taking that off, and he'll pull that apart tomorrow. And gearbox actually looks mint inside, mint. We didn't break any gears or anything like that. Just a couple little bearing bits. Yeah, a couple little bits of shrapnel. But I think we'll just put this one back together and send it. Send it. I love turning up. Firestone, show me the face you guys make when I turn up with all my tyres.
Fuck, all the ruined ones.
I know, look, how nice are those to take off. Nice new stack of high flyers for the weekend. Yeah, boy. So just here at MP Auto Parts. Gotta have a look at this clutch. Yeah, boy. So I trashed third gear in the box, you see. So yes. We pulled the box out, so I might as well pull the clutch out at the same time.
Yep, of course.
And obviously it needs a bit of love.
Yep.
What's your thoughts and feelings?
Well, what we would need to do is just get it measured up based on what we found last time, and see how worn it actually is. I mean, by your own admission, it gets a hard time. Mm-hmm. And we saw it just before you went to Aussie, so it'd be interesting to see what the change is now.
Well, I've done quite a few events since it went in. Since it was last measured. So we've done a heap of work on it. The clutch has done a heap of work. Heap of work. So, and we increased the torque and power quite considerably.
Correct. Now, to be fair, I was after it was the power was increased, I was a bit apprehensive about sort of putting it back in.
Yeah.
But it's obviously done the job, which is fantastic. And the things we look for too is to make sure that this is not all sloppy.
Yeah.
So the integrity of the hub is very good. The other thing we look at is see if there's distortion in that cast plate.
Yeah.
Which, really, considering the heat it's had through it, it's probably not bad. And it's pretty good, to be fair. So the integrity of all the gear, as far as I'm concerned, is good. This will be the one that'll have partition potentially. Yeah, look at that. Can you see that?
I could see it as soon as we pulled it out last night.
Yeah. So, essentially, providing the clamp integrity is still in the diaphragm.
Yeah.
We just get what we call a service pack for it, which consists of the two steel plates and the two clutch plates.
Yeah.
Machine the flywheel, and you're back in business.
Well, we're here at my favourite diesel shop in the hut, and just cleaned up my new second-hand gearbox. just got over the hill, so I live over that hill there, and already the trailer has caught coronavirus and she's come apart. Not good when it's got fucking 10 tyres on it. Lucky we have the Ranger and we're not taking much shit this day, so we're sorted. We'll carry on. Fuck you.
Desert road right now, and we are here with the NUTOUT, and we are going to the Burnout Masters, bros.
Yo, so as Charlotte said, we're here on the desert road between just after Wairuru, and just thought I'd show you guys some of the different landscapes of New Zealand. All right, so she's a bit of a wasteland out here.
Hi.
But look at that view.
Give me. Give me a bump hole.
And we're on our way to NZBC Round 1. Yeah, might be the only skid comp we do in the next 6 months. What are those?
Me. As you can see, we're here at Taupo. We're here to do some skids, bros. And the NUTOUT. Got the NUTOUT over there. We're at the hashtag I love Taupo sign. Yeah.
What's your highlight of the trip so far?
Eating a Krispy Kreme. Not bad, good fence. Not bad. This is like the nicest fence I've ever seen. Look at it, look at it. It is so cool. Like I can fit through this fence. It's just like, boom, boom. I want this fence, guys. Someone needs to go build it.
Wow. Ooh.
What's up?
Taupo morning. Not too bad, a little bit overcast. Still a good day for skids. Listen, if you ever come through Taupo, especially if you're coming through with a family, you should check out the Lake Taupo Holiday Resort. She's pretty rad. Outdoor heated pool. You know, so you can swim in the rain, the cold, whatever. And it's open till about 10 o'clock at night. They show movies on the big screen. Bar, restaurant, they got a swim up bar. So they got a swim up bar, so while you're in the pool you can swim up and order food, drinks and eat in the pool. Pretty cool. So we're here at Taupo Motorsport Park. Their burnout pad is probably one of the coolest in New Zealand. Just give you a quick look. It's a sort of a long run in, it's medium to short run in, but it's on angle and it's on downhill into a weird pad. But you can really hug all the walls and put on a good show. You can't really see the angle that the run-in's on. So we've got heaps of room here. Some dodgy fellas over there. Dodgy as. Not even any rubber on these fucking areas down here. Look at this. So yeah, plenty of room for a mare tip in. Come round, heaps of room. Got the the old Lynchy on the wall over there, Mad Sam, and those mad motherfuckers came over here and put on a show. Don't forget Matty Watts and Matty Ellis. And the AU. Fuck yeah. It's on. is the trial. Hopefully she doesn't fucking shit herself. There you go. And Hayden. Zip. Up. Nailing it. Jump out, Mexi! Jump out!
Before we head out to our cats, I'm going to run you through some basic safety rules so you can drive like a pro. If you haven't signed in yet, make sure you do before you go over to the racetrack. Please see us.
Alright, what's going on, Charlotte? Tell me. What are we doing?
We're gonna go in one of those. I'm at number 29, babies.
Are you going to win?
Yes. But it's a cruising session.
Oh, cruising session.
It's a cruising expression session.
Oh, I see. Holy hiccup! We're just leaving Bruce McLaren Motorsport Park now. We got rained off halfway through the second round, so what they did was they just went on the first round's points, so we were lucky enough to finish second which is pretty cool. And we also got an award for the crowd favourite, which is that's probably my favourite thing to get, you know, because we love turning it on for the crowd and the peeps. Hey Charlotte, what do you reckon?
I did good in the go-karts. I turned on the crowd.
You did turn on the crowd for the go-karts.
I would have probably got one.
You probably would have. So we battled the virus, we battled everything, but we can't battle the weather, which sucks. That's cool. We got one skid in. That was not a bad skid. What we did find out though, so we had a new clutch, new gearbox, and we tried 3.7 diff gears. So,
and just by the way, I never got to go in the car.
but you got the go-karts.
Yeah, I got the go-karts. Much more better than that out.
So the 3.7s we found probably not quite, so I was basically just banging the Lemmy in fourth, but in saying that, the pad was slippery. I don't know, trial and error, maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
You know what would have been the best when we were going go-karting?
What?
If the road was slippery.
Yeah, you would've gone.
I would have gone spling. It would have been so fun.
So yeah, I don't know, we might go back to the drawing board on the diff gears. Might put my diff back in, I don't know. Clutch feels good, gearbox felt good. Got a set of tyres off. So that's always good. So now we're going to head back to Wellies.